Hey there, streamers. Today I'm going to show you how to add a video source to your stream. For things like marketing and all that good stuff, you can actually add your trailer in stream. So if you take a break, go for a wee, you can add a trailer in there or a marketing video and play that, while you're having a...
You're doing your business.
So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. It's super easy. Okay, cuties, we are over here in OBS. Now, for the sake of this video, I have gone and created a marketing video scene. So you want to add that in, and you just want to have that scene sitting there. That's going to be the key scene for your marketing video. Now, we're going to pretend that screen capture is actually the marketing video scene, okay? You want to come in here and add a media source. So go ahead and click that. I'm going to call this a video or trailer. You can call it whatever you want to. Hit OK, select browse, navigate to the video. In my case, I have a few marketing videos. So we've got new trailer and I'm going to drop that trailer in there. So I've got my stream final trailer dropped in. Now, I recommend hitting that loop button. If you're using it for when you go for a break, it's super handy because you can just hit loop and the video will just play over and over and over again. You could create like a massive 10-minute video of highlights and stuff if you're taking a break from stream. Leave it on. You keep your audiences engaged, and new people coming in also get a little taste of what it's all about. And you're getting rid of that be right back screen, which I highly recommend that you do. Okay, now if you are using an Elgato Stream Deck, this is where you would drop in that scene and then drop that button on there as well. So all you would do is add your marketing video scene to your Stream Deck. When you leave for a break, mute your microphone and then hit that scene and it will play automatically. Alternatively, if you don't have an Elgato, that's totally fine. When you leave to go for a break, just smash that marketing video scene and the video will start playing for you. That is it, guys. Super quick tutorial for you. Once again, thank you again for all the love, all the support. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button. We do stream on Twitch, so check down in the description for all the links and good stuff, social media. I won't bore you with all that stuff, but just hit the follow button. It's worth it, I promise. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video.